All right, today we're going to dive into a new AI tool made specifically for the classroom. It's called NotebookLM, and it's trying to answer a really big question. Can AI be a tool for real, deep learning, or is it just another shortcut for students? Let's get into it.
I mean, it's no secret, right? AI is already in our schools. Students are using it, teachers are definitely talking about it, and frankly, it's raising some pretty tough questions for everybody about what learning is even going to look like from now on.
And that really brings us to the heart of the matter. Are these new AI tools just a fancy way to get the answer without doing the hard work, or can they actually help a student understand things on a deeper level? That's the big question we're tackling today. And this challenge, this tension between cheating and learning, well, we're calling it the AI dilemma. It's a really tricky spot for educators to be in. Okay, so this is where NotebookLM comes into the picture. It was built from the ground up to address this exact dilemma. The whole point is to support how students think, not to replace their thinking. But how does it actually pull that off? So what really makes NotebookLM any different from the AI chatbots you're probably already familiar with? Let's take a look at what makes this a totally new kind of tool. The whole system is built on this one core idea, source-grounded AI. And just like it sounds, it means the AI can only give you answers based on the specific info you give it. Think of it like this. You're putting the AI inside a little walled garden made of your class materials, and it can't just hop over the fence to grab answers from the open internet. This slide really just nails the difference. You know, a generic AI is pulling from this huge, messy, unverified sea of internet data, which is why it can sometimes hallucinate, just completely make things up. NotebookLM, on the other hand, is totally grounded in your materials. And here's the kicker. It gives you citations for every single answer it generates. So this idea of grounding is absolutely crucial. Let's explore how that one feature creates a completely different kind of learning experience for a student. So here's how it actually works in the real world. A student uploads their textbook chapters, their messy class notes, maybe a couple of research articles they found. From that moment on, the AI can only answer questions using that specific information. You see what this does? It forces students to think about the quality of their sources and to build their arguments on actual evidence they've gathered. This quote from the source material really gets right to the heart of it. If the information isn't in the sources a student provides, NotebookLM can't just invent an answer. It's the AI's limitations that, ironically, make it such an amazing academic tool. So just think about that for a second. If the AI is only as smart as the sources a student feeds it, how does that totally change the game for student accountability? The responsibility for finding good quality information stays right where it belongs, on the student's shoulders. And that brings us to a really important idea here. The goal of a tool like this isn't to make school easier, it's to help students work smarter. This image just perfectly captures the whole philosophy. It's about lowering the cognitive load. All that mental energy you spend just trying to find a definition or organize your notes so that students can spend more of their brain power on the real work, the academic rigor of thinking critically, analyzing, and coming up with their own original ideas. And this table here lays out that partnership really clearly. Look on the left. That's what the tool handles. Things like breaking down a really dense text or explaining something over and over again without getting tired. But now look at the right. The student is still doing the most important work. They have to find and judge the sources, they have to ask smart questions, and they have to be the one to make connections and build an original argument. The heavy lifting is still on them. So what can students actually do with it? Well, they can ask super specific questions about their reading and get answers that point right back to the text with the citation, which is a fantastic way to build research skills. They can instantly create a summary of a long chapter or make little practice quizzes to see what they know. And they can work with all sorts of media, text, audio from a lecture, video transcripts, all in one spot. It's a really flexible study partner. So the bottom line is this. It's all about making really challenging, complex material more accessible to every kind of learner, but without ever having to lower our academic expectations. Okay, this all sounds great in theory, right? But how do you actually start using this in your classroom, like today? Let's get practical. Here is a simple 5-step checklist to get you started, and it's designed to be super manageable. You start small. Just create one notebook for one project. Then upload a few different kinds of sources to play with. Next, design one clear task for your students. Super important, set up clear rules for how to use it ethically right from the start. And then, the most important step of all, listen to what your students say about it and make adjustments. So, to recap, here are the 4 huge advantages for your students. Because it's source-grounded, it teaches them to think with evidence.
It's personalized, so it can meet them where they are. It builds real-world research skills, and it makes rigorous content accessible to everyone without dumbing it down.
And look, if there's just one thing you take away from all of this, let it be this quote right here. NotebookLM is not about getting answers faster. It's about having a personalized assistant that grounds learning in your actual course materials. It's a tool for thinking, not a shortcut.
So I'll leave you with this final thought. As you think about everything we've covered, don't try to imagine your entire class at once. Just picture one student. Who is the one student in your life who you know would really benefit from a tool like this? And what could that unlock for them?